guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a cosplay makeup tutorial and costume tutorial on the Birds of Prey Harley Quinn. The reason that I am doing a makeup tutorial and cosplay tutorial in one video for her is because I didn't actually make any of the outfit. I just bought everything. So if you guys want to know where I got my entire Harley Quinn outfit, the jacket, the accessories, the fake tattoos, if you want to know where I got all of that, the link will be in the description box, and as well as the stuff I bought on Amazon that was extra. I got this actual wooden bat for her. I know that this isn't from the Birds of Prey movie, but I wanted to do the bat instead of the mallet just because I liked it more. Before I do get into the video though, please do hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you on my channel if you're new. Hit the thumbs up button if this video helps you out at all. If you're cosplaying her or doing her for Halloween, please hit that thumbs up button because it helps me out a ton. Also, in this video I do not do any music just because a lot of my past cosplay videos were hit for copyright music. Even though the music I used at the time was not copyrighted, it was then copyrighted after I used it. So therefore I'm just not using music in my videos at the moment. So it's kind of quiet, but it's really straightforward if you just want to know how to do this makeup look. I'll have a ton of my professional photos I got done of my Harley Quinn cosplay on my Instagram, so definitely go check me out on there. The link will be in the description box, or you can just type in the name on the screen if you want to go follow me on there. Let's get right into the makeup tutorial. So much for watching this video. I really hope this helps you out if you are cosplaying Harley, or if you just are doing this for Halloween for a quick throw together costume. Whatever you're doing, I hope that this video was helpful and or entertaining. Hit that subscribe button down below if you aren't already subscribed to my channel. It helps me out a ton and I'd love to have you as part of my family. Hit the thumbs up button if this video was entertaining. And go follow me on Instagram in the description box if you want to see more of my posts, and I have my Twitter down there as well if you want to follow me on there. But I will have a ton of my Harley Quinn cosplay photos on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!